There are many genres of photography that you can specialize in, but whether you love shooting landscapes or action shots, it's important to understand the value of legally securing your products and services in a formal contract. In this video, we'll cover types of photography work that need contracts, reasons for using a photography contract, details to include in the contract, and additional precautions to take. First, let's review types of photography work that need contracts. All specialties of photography have their own unique details to address in a formal contract. Some specialties include events, modeling, portraits, product advertising, real estate, wedding services, and much more. Next, let's cover reasons for using a photography contract. Before building a contract, you will want to understand what all parties value most in the written agreement. Some prefer confidentiality, which is spelled out in an agreement, and both parties usually like to communicate expectations on paper. But what can happen without a contract? Without a contract, you put yourself at risk of copyright infringement, liability concerns, loss of pay and time, safety risks, and a tarnished reputation and relationships. Now, there are plenty of details to include in the contract. These can range from parties to the agreement to event schedule, attendance, payment schedule, venue, safety and security, release of liability or responsibility, third-party contractors' usage to change of terms, and much more. Yes, it seems like there's a lot to cover, but don't worry. We'll tell you where you can find a free template. But what about additional precautions to take? There are a couple of quick things you can do other than issuing contracts to protect yourself and your photos. Register your photos. Registering all of your photos with copyright.gov can ensure that you will claim actual and statutory damages if you ever need to sue a client over copyright infringement. Watermarking. Watermarking your photos strengthens your claim in copyright infringement disputes and provides return marketing whenever a client uses a watermarked image within the terms of their usage agreement. Where to find legal documents online. If you're in need of a location release of liability, model photo copyright release, photo consent, photo release, photography contract samples, photography deposit receipt, photography invoice, photography payment plan, agreement, or any other form, we have thousands of state-specific, ready-to-go templates available for you to download, all for free with no membership or credit card required. Go to eForms.com to get your forms instantly.